I once got so frustrated with studying that I got into a physical altercation with my textbook. It is a true story and I'm not going to elaborate on it. Instead, I should have just been doing this all along. You want to go to this website here and upload all of your textbooks into it. I'm going to upload my file. That gets uploaded to my library and I can open it and start reading it here. My cat said if I use my chat box, I can ask it like any questions and it comes up with a super informative answer. You can even use these little numbers here to find the part of the paper that it's talking about. If you click this up here, you can highlight and annotate the text, and you can do this as much as you want. If you click on the highlight, you can annotate it, and all those annotations get stored in the sidebar. And I will no longer be getting into fights with my textbooks. I'm a reformed woman.